నమో నమః. అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. టుడే ఈజ్ ద ఫోర్త్ డే ఆఫ్ అవర్ క్లాసెస్ ఆన్ Sanskritam language learning. We will start the session with Vande Mataram by Chala Chittibabu Garu and Prarthana by Govindaraj Garu. Yeah, thank you. Chala Chittibabu Garu.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sitalam, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram. Subrajyosna pulakitayaminim pullakusumita drumadala shobhinim suhasinim sumadhura bhashinim sukhadam varadam mataram vande mataram. వందే మాతరం. నమస్కారం.
వందే మాతరం. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు. నౌ లెట్ us request గోవిందరాజ్ గారు టు చాంట్ ప్రార్థన ప్లీజ్.
గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం గణానాం త్వా గణపతిగుం హవామహే కవీం కవీనాముపమశ్రవస్తమం జ్యేష్ఠరాజం బ్రహ్మణాం బ్రహ్మణస్పత ఆనః శృణ్వన్నోతిభిः సీదసాదనం. ఓం శ్రీ మహాగణాధిపతయే నమః. ఓం ప్రణో దేవీ సరస్వతి వాజేభిర్వాజినీవతి ధీనామవిత్ర్యవతు. ఓం శ్రీ మహాసరస్వత్యై నమః. గురురేవ గతి గురుమేవ భజే గురుణైవ సహాస్మి నమో గురవే. న గురోః పరమం శిశురస్మి గురోః మతిరస్తి గురౌ మాం పాహి గురో. జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మలస్ఫటికాకృతిం ఆధారం సర్వవిద్యానాం హయగ్రీవముపాస్మహే. శృతిస్మృతిపురాణానాం ఆలయం కరుణాలయం నమామి భగవత్పాద శంకరం లోకశంకరం. శంకరం శంకరాచార్యం కేశవం బాదరాయణం సూత్రభాష్యకృతౌ వందే భగవంతౌ పునః పునః. ఈశ్వరో గురురాత్మేతి మూర్తిభేదవిభాగినే వ్యోమవద్వ్యాప్తదేహాయ దక్షిణామూర్తయే నమః. అసతో మా సద్గమయ తమసో మా జ్యోతిర్గమయ మృత్యోర్మా అమృతం గమయ. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. మాతృదేవో భవ పితృదేవో భవ ఆచార్యదేవో భవ అతిథిదేవో భవ. ఓం సహనావవతు సహనౌ భునక్తు సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. హరి ఓం.
ధన్యవాదములండి గోవిందరాజు గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. కెన్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ద ప్రార్థన విత్ 1 minute ధ్యానం and 3 times ఓంకారం. So that is generally we follow.
Sure, sir. I will do.
And I hope all participants are having the lyrics in front of them and chanting it aloud so that you can also volunteer to chant in the class. So now I request Prabhakar Rao Garu to start the webinar, please.
हरि ओम. नमस्ते. स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः. पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् हरिः ओम्. Last 3-4 classes we had, 3 classes I hope, Friday, Thursday and Wednesday. Okay, 3 classes. 3 classes we learned how to make a sentence with Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam with third person and first person and second person, all the 3. Ramaha patati, aham patami, tvam patasi. So we have learned 3 types of sentences with first person as karta, second person as karta, and third person as karta also. So how the kriya changes when you are changing the karta also you understood. Okay. We'll just have a review. The Sanskrit language will have 15 vowels and 33
You want to
consonants.
present?
Yes, now I'll start. So Sanskrit language will have 15 vowels and 33 consonants. And these 15 vowels, when joined with consonants, will become the sentence words, letters. And 2 letters forms always a word. Maybe sometimes even single letter also gives a meaning of a word. So then 2 words combination is the sentence. And every letter will have one consonant, either vowel or a consonant plus vowel. No consonant will be a complete letter without a vowel. So these are the salient points we learned. And one more important point, 2 more important points what we learned were, one is the gender of a word is decided based on its structure, not based on its meaning. So the structure, based on the structure, the grammarian Panini has already decided which are the Pullinga Sabdas, which are the Strilinga Sabdas. So based on those things, we follow, this is the Pullinga and this is Strilinga. The general notation is for understanding major portion of the language. You can see when a visarga is there in a sabdam, in a word, not necessarily verb, it is a word. I'm talking about verbs and so the words and verbs, 2 are there, 2 sections are there now. Words with having visarga at the end will be generally can be understood as Pullinga Sabdas, male gender, masculine gender. And then when there is dirgham at the end, that can be considered as a Strilinga Sabdas, Strilinga words. And when there is Anuswaram, at the end, can be considered as the neutral gender words. This is gender formation. And then second one important what I would like to bring to your notice is that the difference between other language and Sanskrit language is there is a dual sabdam here. There is a dual prayogam. Sabdam is dual prayogam. Ekavachana prayogam, Bahuvachana prayogam, and dual prayogam also will be there. That means 2 people, when they talk, how you make a sentence. That sentence will be different formation from 1 man talking and 1 person talking and 2 persons talking. So that dual formation is there, and accordingly, the verbs also dual formation verbs will be there. Verbs for single person talking, working that, doing that action will be different. 2 persons talking will be different. 3 persons, more than 2 persons talking will be different. So the verbs are to be learned like that. So, and similarly, the words also to be learned like that. 1 person, 2 person, many persons. So this is not having ekavachana and bahuvachana is normal for all the languages, singular and plural. But Sanskritam is singular and dual and plural also. So balaha gacchati ekavachana vakyam, balau gacchataha dvivachana vakyam, balaha gacchanti bahuvachana vakyam. So what is the necessity for us? What is the signal for us? For every word, we have to learn what is the ekavachana rupam, what is the dvivachana rupam, dual word, and what is the bahuvachana rupam, plural rupam. So this is the important consideration which you have to remember, always to remember. Once you learn a letter, you have to always find out what is the singular rupam of that, dvivachana rupam of that, and bahuvachana rupam of that. And whenever you find a verb, you have to find out what is the ekavachana rupam for that, dvivachana rupam for that, bahuvachana rupam for that. And add this singular word and singular verb becomes a sentence. This is the concept we understood till now. And one more concept is nouns, pronouns. These two things we understood. And 4 pronouns, sabdas we learned. Any sabda will have a root word. That root word will have an end. So when you are learning a word, when you are learning a sabdam, you have to find out the root word of that. And that root word will decide the gender and other things. So when we have learned 4 root words on sarvanam sabdas, dakaranta tat sabdaha, sahataute, sa te taha, tat te tani. Makaranta idam sabdaha, ayam imau ime, iyam ime imaha, idam ime imani. And we also learned another sabdam in dakaranta for nearby people, that is etat sabdam. Dakaranta etat sabdaha, eshaha, etau, ete, esha, ete, etaha, etat, ete, etani. And then we have learned prashnavachaka sabdam, which gives you how to make a question mark sentence. That makaranta kim shabdaha, kaha, kau, ke, ka, ke, kaha, kim, ke, kani. And this Uttamapura Shabda will be only one Shabdam, that is Dakarantaha Asmat Shabdaha Trilingakaha. Dakarantaha Trilingakaha. Same in all the 3 genders. Dakarantaha Trilingakaha Asmat Shabdaha Aham Avam Vayam. Aham ekavachanam, avam dvivachanam, vayam bahuvachanam. And Dakarantaha Trilingakaha Ishmat Shabdaha, that we have learned for Madhyama Purusha, that is ekavachanam tvam, dvivachanam yuvam, bahuvachanam yuyam. And all the remaining words in the universe, which once you name a person or an article, that is Prathama Purusha. Only these 2, Dakaranta Ishmat Sabdaha, Dakaranta Asmat Sabdaha. These are the 2 different. One is Madhyama Purusha, one is Uttama Purusha. All the other words are Prathama Purusha. So mostly Kriyas are used for Prathama Purusha, and the Kriyas that are used for yourself, that means self. Self is one section and yours, opposite person, is second section, third section. So that's how the matrix is formed. But once you take a Kriya, Patthati Kriya, you have to make a matrix for all the 3 vachanas and 3 purushas. You take a Patthati Kriya, Patthati, Patataha, Pathanti. Patasi, Patataha, Patata. Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha. So when you use the Prathama Purusha Kartas, that means Prathama Purusha words, that means all the remaining words other than I and you in the word, you have to use the first line, that is Patati, Patataha, Patanti. Ramaha Patati, Ramau Patataha, Ramaha Patanti. Sita Patati, Site Patataha, Sitaha Patanti. Mitram Patati, Mitrae Patataha, Mitrani Patanti. Saha Patati, Tau Patataha, te patanti. With Sarvanama Shabdam. You can use it Sarvanama Shabdam also. Saha patataha, saha patati, tau patataha, te patanti. Sa patati, te patataha, taha patanti. Tat patataha, te patat, tat patati, te patataha, tani patanti. Similarly, ayam patataha, ayam patati, imau patataha, ime patanti. Iyam patati, ime patataha, imaha patanti. Idam patati, ime patataha, imani patanti. Similarly, with nearby etat sabdam. Eshaha patataha patati, etau patataha, etaha, ete patanti. Eta patati, esha patati, ete patataha, etaha patanti. Etat patati, ete patataha, etani patanti. Kaha patati? Prasnavachi sabda. Makaranta kim shabdaha? Prasna. How to put a question? Kaha patati? Kau patataha? Ke patanti. Ka patati? Ke patataha? Kaha patanti. Kim patataha? Ke patata. Kim patati? Ke patataha? Kani patanti. Like that, the usage of the sentences with these words and verbs. The matrix that has to be formed like that.
Prabhakar Garu,
So-
you wanted to share the screen or you want to later share?
Yeah, still I have not gone to the, I'm
Right,
reviewing
okay,
the
okay.
portion.
Because people are asking for sharing.
I have already forwarded to them the lesson. They should see the book and follow what I am saying. And by the way, I am reviewing the portion. When I am talking, when I am starting the lesson, then where from I am starting, you will open the lesson. Otherwise, where I will show now, I am just showing, mixing the lessons. Is it not? General, what we have learned till now, I have reviewed now. Okay. So now let us go to the first lesson. We have worked up to half of the portion only and then shifted to second lesson, right? In first lesson, we have learned one sukti, that is Arabdham Uttama Janaha na Parichasanti. The successful people, the first rank of people will not leave the work that is started. Any good work that is started, they will not leave till the goal is reached. That is the first sukti we learned. And then we have learned a Prahelika. That Prahelika is Asthi nasti, Siro nasti, Bahurasti nirangulihi, nasti padadvayam, Gadham angamalingati swayam. I hope you are all reading with me. Asthi nasti, Siro nasti, Bahurasti nirangulihi, nasti padadvayam, Gadham angamalingati swayam. Then this meaning of this is, it is neither bone or head, has arm but no fingers, has no legs, and it hugs you right. What is it? That is Yutakam, Shat. Then goes to Sangra Guru, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guru Namaha. Guru is Brahman, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. Guru is Shakti, Sakshat Brahma, Brahman himself. Let us bow down to this great teacher. Then Ajnana Timirandhasya Jnanandara Salakaya Chakshurusmi Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Guru clears the darkness of this world through the torch of the knowledge. I bow down to that Guru who is the giver of the knowledge. In Samskrita Parichaya, I have learned Vedas, 4 Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda. We have Samhita, Brahmana, Aranyaka, and Upanishad, 4 sections. And this also can be divided as Karmakanda and Jnanakanda. And Rigveda has got some slogans such as Achayama Divya, Rishima Kushasva. Yajurveda has got slogans such as principles of Satyam Vada and Dharmanchara. And Samveda is the root for the Sangita Shastra. And Rigvedas are mostly found in Samveda. Rigveda Sutras or Rigveda Mantras are mostly found in Samveda. And then some important words like the Satyam, Dharmam, Satyams, Sacham dharmaschaitani shishuhu. May not truth and dharmam leave me. Ma gruddha kasya suddhanam. Do not aspire for others' wealth or property or anything. Shamno bhavatu dipade sham chatushpade. Welfare towards the human beings and to all other animals. Then this all Vedas can be understood by 6 Vedangas. They are called Siksha, phonetics, Vyakaranam, grammar, Chandas, prosody, Niruttam, etymology, Jyotisha, astronomy, Kalpa, and sacrificial lore. And each Siksha, there are many Siksha Granthas are there. There are many Vyakarana Granthas are also there. Now we left here and we didn't go to Katha. Let us go to Katha. Now, today we'll go to Katha. Buddhiman Shishyaha. Buddhiman Shishyaha. The intelligent or intellectual student. Smart student or intellectual student. So that is Buddhiman is the adjective to Shishyaha. Buddhiman Shishyaha. Kasi Nagare. Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. Vasati is the verb here. Kaha Vasati? Panditaha Vasati. Kaha Vasati? Panditaha Vasati. Panditaha is the karta here. Karta Kriya. The base vakya sentence is Panditaha Vasati. Panditaha Vasati. Ramaha Vasati. Aham Vasami. Tvam Vasasi. Like that sentences are formed. Panditaha Vasati. Aham Vasami. Panditaha Kasi Nagare Vasati. Kutra Vasati Panditaha? Kasi Nagare. Kutra means where. Kutra means where. Kutra. Another Prashnavachakam. Kutra is another Prashnavachakam which gives the place. Which place you are staying. To say that Panditaha Kutra Vasati. Panditaha Kasi Nagare Vasati. Ekaha Panditaha. Kati Panditaha Santi. Kati is another Prashna. How many Panditas are there? Kati. Another Prashnavachakam. So, Putra is place, Kati is Sankhya. Kati Panditaha Vasanti. How many Panditas were staying in Kasi Nagare? Kasi Nagare, Kati Panditaha Vasanti. Kasi Nagare, Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. In our story, Kasi Nagare, Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. Kasi Nagare. Kasi Nagare is the Saptami, the 7th order of the case, 7th case of the Kasi Nagaram Shabdam. Kasi Nagaram, Kasi Nagare. Kasi Nagaram means Kasi Nagar. Kasi Nagare means in the Kasi Nagar. In the Kasi Nagaram, Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. So, the sentence formation is to understand. Malkajigire Ekaha Adhyapakaha Vasati. Malkajigire Nagare Prabhakaraha Vasati. Malkaji Bhagyanagare Bahavaha Janaha Vasanti. Bahavaha means many. Bahujanaha, Bahavaha Janaha Vasanti. Kashi Nagare Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. This is the statement. So this is one action. Panditaha Vasati Tatra. Next is Pandita Samipam. Samipam is nearby. Pandita Samipam, nearby to the Pandit. Ekaha Sishyaha Agachati. Ekaha Sishyaha. Sishyaha is a student. Ekaha Sishyaha Agachati. Agachati is Kriya here. Agachati means came. Vastunnadu, coming or comes. Comes. Agachati means comes. Since we didn't learn other verbs, we are talking only in Vartamana Kala. We are talking only in Vartamana Kala. That we have learned till now. We have learned till now Vartamana Kala Kriya only. So this Agachati is Vartamana Kala Kriya. He comes. One student comes to where he comes. Kutra Agachati, Pandita Samipam Agachati. Kaha Agachati, Kaha Agachati, Sishyaha Agachati. Kati Sishyaha Santi, Ekaha Sishyaha Asti. Ekaha Sishyaha Agachati. Pandita Samipam, Ekaha Sishyaha Agachati. Sishyaha Vadati. Shashyaha Kim Karoti, what he says, what Shishya is saying, what Shishya did, Shishya Vadati. vadati. Shishya is speaking. Shishyaha vadati. This is another sentence. Shishyaha vadati. Kim vadati? Em cheptunnaru? What he is saying? He acharya. This is sambodhana. Acharyaha. Panditaha acharya. Ekah panditaha saha acharya. Saha acharya. Panditaha acharya. Atra. Tatra. Oh, he acharya. Vidyabhyasardham. Vidyabhyasardham. Vidyabhyasardham means for the sake of Vidya. For learning Vidya. Abhyasardham. For learning Vidya. For learning Gnanam. For learning knowledge. Vidyabhyasardham aham agataha. Agataha is one type of kriya which you do not learn till now, but you can understand. Agataha is one type of verb form. We will learn in future. Vidyabhyasardham aham agataha. Vidyabhyasardham, I was brought here. So Vidyabhyasardham aham I came. I came here for learning from you. Hey Acharya, Vidyabhyasardham aham agataha. Panditaha ta vadati. Pandita kim pruchati? Panditaha Shishya buddhi paricchardham pruchati. Panditaha, what is doing Pandita? Pruchati. Pruchati means asking. So Panditaha pruchati. Panditaha pruchati. Panditaha vasati. Shishyaha agacchati. Panditaha pruchati. Panditaha kimartham pruchati? Shishya buddhi paricchardham. Shishya buddhi paricchardham pruchati. Shishya buddhi paricchardham. Shishyasya buddhi. Shishyas buddhi intellect. How much to admit him? That is the test. Shishya buddhi paricchardham pruchati. He asks. What he is asking? Hey Vatsa. Vatsaha is the sabdam. Pullinga sabdam. Vatsaha. Hey Vatsa. Vatsa kaha? Shishyaha. Shishyani, he is calling him as Vatsa. A boy, a son. Oh son, he is asking. Hey Vatsa. Devaha kutra asti? Hey Vatsa. Hey Vatsa. Devaha kutra asti? Kutra is the question form here. So kutra is question form which gives an answer where. Question where and answer for where. Kutra means where. So Devaha kutra asti. Asti means is there, is. Devaha, where is Deva? Where is God? Devaha kutra asti. So Shishyaha vadati is another sentence. Shishyaha vadati. Shishya kim karoti is answering the question. Shishyaha vadati. Guruhu. Guru. So when Guruhu becomes Sambodhana, becomes Guru. Acharyaha becomes He Acharya. Guruhu, He Guru. That is Sambodhana. How Ukarantam has become Okarantam. Guru has become Guru. Acharyaha, Akarantam has become without Visarga. He Acharya. But now here, He Guru. Devaha Putra Nasti. He's raising a doubt now. That is the right of the student. Raising doubt is the right of the student. Devaha kutra nasti. So instead of saying Devaha is there everywhere, he got a doubt now. What he got a doubt now? He was knowing that Deva is everywhere. God is everywhere. That is his knowledge. That is what he has been taught in the house. He has been taught everywhere God is there. But now, on that, when everywhere is there, where the question of asking where is he? So now he got a student, got a doubt. What he got? Devaha kutra nasti. I don't know. I am thinking everywhere he is there. But when Acharya asking where he is not there. So to my knowledge, he is everywhere. So I don't know where he is not there. That Guru may be knowing. So he is raising a doubt. Devaha kutra nasti mahodaya. He is asking, Acharya, Guroho, Devaha kutra nasti. Krupaya bhavan eva samadhanam dadavadatu. Bhavan eva. Bhavan eva. Eva means you only, only. Eva means only. Krupaya, krupaya. Devaha kutra nasti. Krupaya, krupaya means please. Bhavan eva. You only, please, you only. Samadhanam vadatu. You only give the meaning. You only give the solution. Because I am Agnani. I came to you to learn. So he is showing his obedience of asking for the answer to the question instead of showing his knowledge that everywhere is there. It's a silly question. Instead of saying like that, he obediently replied to him, saying that, Hey Guru, Devaha kutra nasti, krupaya bhavaneva samadhanam vadatu, aham chintayami, Guruhu everywhere, Guruhu sarvatra asti, iti aham chintayami, iti he conveyed indirectly. That Guru, aham chintayami Guru sarvatra asti, parantu bhavan pruchati, Guruhu kutra asti, Devaha kutra asti, arthat Putrapi Devaha nasti. Somewhere Deva is not there. Because you are asking a question, there must be a place where Deva is not there. So I am getting a doubt now where he is. I don't know that where he is not there. Please educate me. Please enlighten me. That's what he is expressing to him, to the Guru. So what he has conveyed here, he has conveyed two things here. He has conveyed his Jnanam by saying like that Devaha is Sarvatra asti. That's what I know it. Then second thing what he has conveyed, kindly help me, kindly make me knowledgeable. Obedience, he has shown the obedience. Both the qualities are very much required for learning a knowledge. These are the important qualities to be tested while testing a student. Whether he has got the correct perspective or not, whether he is having the obedience or not. So these are the qualities which make the younger students get the knowledge from the teacher fast. So, Santushtaha Guruhu. Guruhu Kima Bhavat. What happened to Guru now? Santushtaha Bhavat. Guruhu Santushtaha Vadati. Guru, what is the condition of Guru now? He is satisfied with the knowledge of the student. Santushtaha Guruhu Vadati. He is saying. What he is saying? Devaha Sarvatra Asti. So he is not putting the Shishya under dilemma. Immediately he is clarifying him. Devaha Sarvatra Asti. Sarvatra. Sarvatra means everywhere. Kutra means where. Sarvatra means everywhere. Devaha Sarvatra Asti. God is everywhere. Devaha Sarva Vyapi. Vyapi means occupied. He is occupied. He is occupied whole universe. Devaha Sarva Vyapi. He is occupied the whole universe. It's not one place he stays. So, Vam Buddhiman, you are intelligent fellow. I certify you. You have passed the exam. Devaha Sarvatra Asti. Devaha Sarva Vyapi. Vam Buddhiman. So, next sentence is Ataha. Ataha means so. Or hence. Sat Ataha. Vidyabhyasardham. Vidya Abhyasa Ardham. Kimardham Agatavan? Vidyabhyasardham Agatavan. So, Sishyaha Kimardham Agatavan? Vidyabhyasardham. Kimardham Agatavan? Vidyabhyasardham Agatavan. So, Ataha Vidyabhyasardham. Ataha Vidyabhyasardham Atraiva Vasa. Atraiva Vasa. Atraiva. Atraiva. This word Atraiva is Atraiva. Atraiva means here only. Atra means here, nearby. Sarvatra means everywhere. Kutra means where. So, Atraiva Vasa. Here only you stay. Vasa. Vasa means Tvam Vasa. Tvam Vasa. Tvam Gacha. Like that. That is order. It's different word, verb. You will learn later. Tvam Vasati. Tvam Vasasi. You learned already. Tvam Vasasi. Nuvu untunnavu. Nuvu undu antaniki. You stay here. You are staying here antaniki. To say that you are staying here, you have to say Tvam Vasasi. But you stay here. Order or Ajna or Anuti. For that, what is to be done? That is Vasa. Tvam Vasa. That C will go away. That verb you learn in fourth lesson or fifth lesson, fourth lesson. Tvam vasa. So tvam atra eva vasa. Here only you stay and learn the knowledge. So ataha vidyabhyasartham atra eva vasa. Atra plus eva combination is atraiva vasa. Atraiva vasa. So now you have learned another series of words now. Kutra, sarvatra, atra. So atra, please carefully here. Please you have to remember these things. Atra, kutra, sarvatra. 3 words you learned. These 3 words will have some more words. Anyatra, sarvatra, anyatra, ekatra. So atra means hereby. Atra pustakam asti. So am I sharing this? I'm not sharing this, right? That's a mistake I did. Though you reminded twice, I opened this, but I didn't share. Kshamyatam. Made a mistake. Okay. Now I'll read out this slide again. Kasi Nagare Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. Kasi Nagare Ekaha Panditaha Vasati. Pandita Samipam Ekaha Sishyaha Agachati. Sishyaha Vadati. Acharya Vidyabhyasartham Aham Agataha. Panditaha Sishya Buddhi Parichartham Pruchati. Vatsa Devaha Kutra Asti. Sishyaha Vadati. Guru Devaha Kutra Nasti. Krupaya Bhavan Eva Samadhanam Vadatu. Santushtaha Guruhu Vadati. Devaha Sarvatra Asti. Devaha Sarva Vyapi. Tvam Buddhiman. Ataha Vidyabhyasartham Atraiva Vasa. So this is what we learned now. This and this year we are learning one set of words now. Atra, Atra, Tatra, Sarvatra, Ekatra, Kutra. These are the 5 group of words. Atra, Atra Pustakam Asti. Atra Pustakam Asti. Atra, that means here nearby. Atra Pustakam Asti. Tatra Kujyam Asti. Tatra Deepaha Asti. Tatra Kujyam Asti. Tatra Deepaha Asti. Atra Asandaha Asti. Asandaha. Chair. Asandaha Asti. Atra Pustakam Asti. Atra Upanayanam Asti. Atra Upanayanam Asti. Tatra Vrukshaha Asti. Tatra Vrukshaha Asti. Sarvatra Devaha Asti. Sarvatra Vayuhu Asti. Anyatra Vahanam Asti. Anyatra. Not here. Somewhere else. Not nearby, seen. All these things are seen. Atra, Tatra, Sarvatra is telling openly. But when you say Anyatra, it is not before your eyes. Anyatra Vahanam Asti. Bhavan Kutra Asti. Bhavan Kutra Vasati. Where? So Atra, Tatra, Sarvatra, Anyatra. Kutra. And one more is there. Ekatra. Pustakam Asti. Pustakam Asti. Pustakam Asti. पुस्तकानि सन्ति, पुस्तकानि एकत्र सन्ति, पुस्तकानि एकत्र सन्ति, पुस्तकम् अस्ति, पुस्तकम् अस्ति, पुस्तकम् अस्ति, पुस्तकानि सन्ति, पुस्तकानि एकत्र सन्ति, आसन्दः अस्ति, आसन्दः अस्ति, आसन्दः अस्ति, आसन्दाः एकत्र सन्ति, शिष्य छात्रः अस्ति, छात्रः अस्ति, छात्रः अस्ति, छात्राः एकत्र अस्ति, पुरुषः अस्ति, पुरुषः अस्ति, पुरुषः अस्ति, पुरुषाः एकत्र सन्ति, महिला अस्ति, महिला अस्ति, महिला अस्ति, महिलाः एकत्र सन्ति, वाहनम् अस्ति, वाहनम् अस्ति, वाहनम् अस्ति, वाहनम् अस्ति, वाहनानि एकत्र सन्ति, तथैव अत्र तत्र एकत्र अन्यत्र सर्वत्र कुत्र. These are the set of words, please note down, and this is normally used and it is very important to usage. In your usage for the speaking purposes, these words are very important. This prashnavachakas and the words, certain words like this, link words. So, atra, tatra, abhyasam, please do abhyasam with this, making sentences. Tatra vrikshaha asti, tatra kujyam asti, tatra mahila asti, tatra purushaha asti, tatra balakaha asti, tatra vahanam asti, tatra bhojanam asti, tatra shakara asti, tatra odanam asti, tatra shakam asti, tatra fridge asti, tatra gruham asti, tatra devalayam asti, atra putraha asti. Like that, say, make the sentences. Start this and making sentences with this. Using atra, tatra, sarvatra, ekatra, anyatra, and like this. Kutra. There is one set of sentence formation. For sentence formation is very important tool. So, the purpose of learning Sanskritam is to speak, to use. So, these things are very important. Then now the questions are there on this. Panditaha kutra vasati. Anybody can answer this question? Panditaha kutra vasati. Anybody? Open the thing and tell me. Unmute and tell me. Are you hearing me or not?
Yeah, we are hearing you.
Anybody, please? Please unmute and tell.
पंडितः
काशीनगरे अस्ति.
Please tell full sentence.
पंडितः काशीनगरे अस्ति.
अस्ति.
वसति.
Okay.
कुत्र वसति? पुनः आंसर करोतु. पुनः समाधानं वदतु.
पंडितः काशीनगरे वसति.
पंडितः काशीनगरे वसति. In this question, you remove kutra and put काशीनगरे. That's all. पंडितः कुत्र वसति. कुत्र निकाल दो and स्थापयतु, अत्र स्थापयतु काशीनगरे. पंडितः काशीनगरे वसति. That's all. The next question, पंडितः किमर्थं प्रश्नं पृच्छति. पंडितः किमर्थं. Kimartham is another question mark. Kimartham means what for. What for he has asked the question. Kimartham. Another question mark. Important point. So, Panditah kimartham prashnam pruchhati. Kimartham. You have to answer kimartham now. What for he has asked the question. Panditah kimartham prashnam pruchhati. Anybody?
पंडितः शिष्य बुद्धि परीक्षार्थं पृच्छति.
Prashnam pruchhati.
प्रश्नं पृच्छति. या
पुनः वदतु.
पंडितः शिष्य बुद्धि परीक्षार्थं प्रश्नं पृच्छति.
Next. Santuष्टः गुरुः अन्ते किं वदति. Santuष्टः गुरुः अन्ते किं वदति. Anybody? Ante. At the end, what he told? अतः विद्याभ्यासार्थं Atraiva vasa. Inverted commas. Iti. You have to add iti for that always. Santushtaha guruhu ante kim vadati. Santushtaha guruhu ante vadati. Ataha shishya ataha vidyabhyasardham atraiva vasa. Inverted commas. Iti. That iti you have to add. We will learn in later chapters you will learn that. Now, as on date, the answer is Ataha Vidyabhyasardham Atraiva Vasa. Last sentence. That you have to tell. Then Samskrita Vyavaharaha. In Samskrita Vyavahara, the simple thing will go fast. You all know this. Harihi. Stop saying hello, hello. Start using Hari Om. Don't say hellos in the WhatsApps or in the messages. Anything to me. Try to write in Sanskritam. Try to answer in Sanskritam. Try to use Sanskritam in your WhatsApp groups, at least in our groups, to us. When you are writing to us, try to use Sanskritam words. You write in Harivo in English only. Doesn't matter. If you could not have Sanskritam, if you could not write Sanskritam in your mobile, please write Harivom only, but write Harivom only. Don't write hello. Okay? You start doing that, then you will practicing it. Harivom for hello. Namaste, Namaskaraha for namaste. Or good morning or something like that. So Suprabhatam, good morning. Subha Madhyanha, good afternoon or good noon. And Subha Madhya, Subha Sandhya for good evening. And Subha Ratrihi for good night. Dhanyavadaha or Dhanyavadaha for thanks. And Swagatam, welcome. Manye Arye for madam. Don't use madam or else. Madam is not a correct word to be used for ladies. Manye Arye. And Sriman for sir. Don't use sir. That is a slavery word. Sir. Sriman is a respectable word. Sriman. Sriman Astu for all right and okay. Saying okay, okay. Don't stop using okay. Okay has become a regular word for us. Astu. Then Krupaya for please ask. Say Krupaya. Chintamastu. Don't worry. Chamyatam, when somebody says, you say don't worry. Instead of saying don't worry, please say Chintamastu. Then Chamyatam, then Punaha Milamaha, to see again. We'll meet again. We'll say we meet again. To say we meet again, Punaha Milamaha. Punaha means again. Milamaha means meet. Punaha Milamaha. Let us meet tomorrow again. Let us meet again. Sadhu, sadhu. Very good, very good. If somebody, you want to appreciate somebody's work, say sadhu, sadhu. And say Uttamam. Uttamam also is one gradation. Uttamam, sadhu, sadhu. Sadhu, sadhu is very good. Uttamam is good. Bahu Samichinam, very fine. Bahu Samichanam, Chala Baundi. Bahu Samichanam, Samyak, and Saripain, Sakaundi, Chala Baundi. It's very good. It is sufficiently good. To say that Bahu Achi Samichinam, Subha Ashayaha, to wish somebody best wishes. Subha Ashayaha. Start using these things, then only you will develop your language. Subha Ashayaha. Abhinandanani, congratulations. Don't say congratulations. Start saying Abhinandanani. Abhinandanani, Abhinandanam, Abhinandanani, Bahuvachanam. Next. These are the things we have learned now. Please practice these things and don't use English words. Start using the Sanskrit words in your routine way of working. Astu, Subhashitam. Now we are learning Subhashitam in this last thing of the lesson. Ayam Nijaha. Ayam means we learned word. Ayam yamo yime. Ayam means this fellow, this person, this male person or this person, nearby person. This nearby person, Ayam Nijaha. This means my man. He is my man. My son, my grandson, my nephew, my niece, something like that. Ayam Nijaha. This man is my man. Paroveti. He is another's, not my man. He is somebody's man. He is not concerned to me. Paroveti Ganana. Ganana means counting. Ayam Nijaha Paroveti Parahaveti. That person is not known to me. He is not known to me. Like that. Parahaveti, Paroveti. Ayam Nijaha Paroveti Ganana, counting. Laghu Chetasam. Laghu Chetasam. Cheta means Laghu Chetasam, mean-mindedness. Laghu Chetasam. Chetasam means mindedness. Laghu Chetasam means mean-mindedness. To think of this is mine, that is not mine, this is not yours, that is not yours. This type of circular, the closed circle working is the mean-minded mentality. Udara Charitanantu, the great people who have got broad-minded people, who think of the universe, who think of the great things. Udara Charitanantu, the broad-minded persons, the most knowledgeable persons are the people who are well connected people, are in say like that. Udara Charitanantu, who has got the long good history of the life. Udara Charitanantu, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudha Eva. Vasudha means the whole world. Vasudha means the whole world, earth. Whole world. Vasudha Eva, the world only. Kutumbakam. The world itself, the whole world is one Kutumbakam. We are all belong to one family. We are all Manavas. We are all belong to one section of the people. We should not have these demarcations and geographical or various demarcations. This divide and rule policy is very bad policy. That's what we want to convey here. Try to accommodate and try to keep going together. That is the important thing. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, Udara Charitanantu, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Probably we have lost many things because of this good concept, but good concepts, even if it is bad, nothing matters. Someday it will become good. So we should not leave it because it has given some bad to us in certain places. So Udara Charitanantu, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That's what we did last 1,000 years. We have faced it, of course, but we still survived because of these good concepts only. The Sanatana Dharma is surviving this country because of these great concepts only. So Sanatana Dharma base is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Sanatana base is Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha. These are all the things which we have. These are the great qualities of Sanatana Dharma. Followers will be always respected all over the world. Aham nijaha paro veti ganana labhuchetasam udara charitanam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Consideration like the he is mine or he is another's occur only to the narrow-minded persons. To the broad-minded persons, the whole world is their own family. Next, let us go to second lesson. Time is there. Okay. Let me show. Open the second lesson. We already learned Kanasha Kanashashchaiva Vidyamardhancha Sadhyet. We learned already. And then we also learned how to use Tvam and Aham with singular and plural. Tvam comes with Patasi, Tvam Patasi, Tvam Namasi, like that. And Bahuvachanam comes Yuyam Hadata, Yuyam Hasatha, like that. Tha will come. And then Aham Patami, Aham Ichchami, Aham Richami, Ami will come. For Vayam gets Kridami, Likamaha, Likamaha, like that. And then we have learned the transfer to Prathama Purusha to Madhyama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha to Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha to Uttama Purusha, Uttama Purusha to Madhyama Purusha. All these things we have learned. And now we have learned this table: patati, patataha, patanti, patasi, patataha, patata, patami, patavaha, patama. This is the table matrix you should remember. And how to use patati, patataha, patanti. Already told you this is used for all the Prathama Purusha sabdas. And patasi, patataha, patata is used for second Madhyama Purusha sabdas. Tvam, aha, yuvam, yuyam. And patami, patavaha, patamaha is used for first person, that is aham, avam, vayam. And then we also learned this dakarantaha trilingakaha ishmat sabdaha tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Dakarantaha trilingaka asmat sabdaha aham, avam, vayam. Then we have learned the how to write the Sanskritam, what to be left, what is not to be left. When except for 22 letters, we have to remove the vertical line and join to the second line, second letter. And for 8 letters, we have to use the stroke down and join the second letter. And for ka and pa, you have to cut the limb and join the letter. For ra, if it is coming before a letter, then you have to put as a refum, rga, rka, rma, dya. If it is coming after that, you have to put a stroke left hand side, kra, gra, bra, mra, tra, like that. So these are the lekhan niyamas. Lekhan niyamas, when second word is starting with a vowel, then first word anuswaram and first word ending with anuswaram should become written as makaram. Is to be written. If second word is starting with consonant, then ga, ka, kha, ga, ga, like that. Then this anuswaram in the previous word, first word, should be written dot, not makaram. Makaram should not be written. Then we also learned the numbers: ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, pancha, sapta, shashti, shashta, sapta, ashta, nava, dasha, and then vimshatihi, trimshat, chatvarimshat, panchashat, षष्टिः, सप्ततिः, अशीतिः, नवतिः, शतं, सहस्रम, laksham, kotihi, like that. And there are all these things to be practiced by you. And then this abhyasam, please do it. If any doubts are there, ask me. Vyavaharik sabdaha, we already learned. This first category of sabdas, Vyavaharik sabdas, vrittikaraha. Vrittikaraha, there are 2 categories. One category with ikarantam will become lady rupam. This other thing will become, with ikarantam will become lady rupam. Somebody was asking this on this rajakaha. Rajakaha becomes rajika. Rajaka will not become rajika. Rajakaha, rajika. So like that. So next, kimichada narah kasyam mrityuhu bhupanam ke rona hitaha jayaha ke vanja sarvadevanam diyatam eka uttaram mrityunjayaha. This is the second Vedika we learned. And Sangra Vishayaha, Agajanana Padmarkam, Gajanana Varnisham, Anekadam Tam Bhaktanam, Ekadam Tam Upasaya. Anekadam Tam Bhaktanam, Ekadam Tam Upasaya. Worship him who is the like this sun for the lotus face of Parvati. And this I don't think correct way of presentation. Presentation of we worship him who is bringing, who is making happiness to the Parvati, who is making the face of Parvati as a lotus that is come after sun, seeing the sun after sun, and who has the face of an elephant, and who grants many boons to the devotees, and who has single tusk. So that is the way you should write. Vakradanda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvighnan Kurume Deva Sarvakarya Sharada. O Gajanana, who is having curved trunk and large belly, who have the brightness of many suns, O Lord, remove all the obstacles from all my works always. Sarvakaryashu Sarvada. From all works, we have hurriedly finished this last time. Vakratunda, Mahakaya, Koti Surya Samaprabha, they are all Sambodhana Prathamavibhakti. Addressing, Hey Vakratunda. Actually, Vakratundaha, Mahakayaha. What are the names of Ganesha? Vakratundaha, Mahakayaha, Koti Surya Samaprabha. These are the words, his names. When we are addressing him, oh, Hey Vakratunda, Hey Mahakaya, Hey Koti Surya Samaprabha, Nirvighnan Kuru, me, for me, oh Deva, Deva, Hey Deva, Devaha, Hey Deva, Hey Deva, Hey Deva, Hey Vakratunda, Hey Mahakaya, Hey Koti Surya Samaprabha, Nirvighnan Kuru, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Always, for all works, please help me. Please remove all my obstacles. That's what we pray. Is here the word used, the formation of word is Sambodhana Pradhama Vibhakti. This is not Pradhama Vibhakti, Sambodhana Pradhama Vibhakti. Earlier sentence is Ditya Vibhakti. Agajana Padmarkam, that the person who is having the Gajananam, the person who is having the face of Gajananam, Vanini, that person. When you say there's karma, you are using as it is accusative case. When you are using accusative case, these are all accusative cases. Agajanana Padmarkam, Gajananam, Anekadam, Tam. These are accusative cases. Bhaktanam, Sashti Bhakti. This is a relative case. Ekadantam, Upasma. Ekadantam is also accusative case. Ekadantam, Upasmahe. So, accusative case means Ditya Bhakti in Telugu, Sanskritam and Telugu. Ditya Bhakti. Panini, Atanini, Vakartunduni, Agajana Padmarkuni, Gajanuni, Anekadantuni, Vanini, Tam and Vanini, Ekadantuni, Upasmahe, Aharnisham, Ratri Pagalu, day and night, like that, everything. So now, Samskrita Vangmaya Parichaya. In Samskrita Vangmaya, we have learned Vedas. About Vedas we learned. Now, next step we learn is in Vedas, part of Vedas is Upanishads. There are 10 Upanishads, there are about 108 Upanishads are there. People say there are 1008 Upanishads are there. Out of that, 108 are the very important Upanishads. And that normally read by many people. Under 108, again 10 are very, very important, for which the Bhashyam, it means the meaning, the explanation, has been written by Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, Shankaracharya and Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya and many other people. They have written bhashyams for these things. They are meeting meanings for these things. They are all Ishavasyopanishad, Venopanishad, Kathopanishad, Vasnopanishad, Mundakopanishad, Mandukyopanishad, Taittiriyopanishad, Prudharanyakopanishad, Chandogyopanishad, Aitareyopanishad. These are the 10 Upanishads. These 10 Upanishads are told by one slokam. Ishakena Kata Prashna, Ishakena Kata Prashna, Munda Mandukya Tittiri. Aitareyam Cha Chandogyam Bahudaranyakam Tatha. In this Ishavasyopanishad, Kena Kenopanishad, Kata Kathopanishad, Prashna Prashnopanishad, Munda Mundakopanishad, Mandukya Mandukyopanishad, Tittiri Taittiriyopanishad, Aitareya Aitareyopanishad, Chandogya Chandogyopanishad, Bahudaranyakam Bahudaranyakopanishad. This is with 10 things with slokam has been made. You can remember slokam wise, or you can remember the individual names also. Then, when this up to this, these are Vedas. Then Darshanas are the things that based on the Vedangas and Vedas, Rishis have formulated some sciences. They have formulated some Shastras. They have written some Shastras. Those Shastras are theories. They are written theories. To understand the Vedas, they understood the Vedas and formulated their theories to achieve the God, to achieve the moksha. Every darshanam aim is to achieve moksha only. But there are different routes. In different routes, it formulates. The Vedam itself formulates different routes. And that each Rishi has seen in different way. And then they have formulated. There are six Astika Darshanas. Astika Darshanas means Astika Darshanas which we take Vedas as Pramana. The Astika Darshana is one which considers Vedas as Pramana. Vedas are there. Vedas we believe. Based on Vedas only, I formulated this. The Shastra that are told like that are called Astika Darshanas. Some Nastika Darshanas are also formed in the world. And these Nastika Darshanas generated from the philosophy of our Sanatana Dharma only, but they have taken a different routes and not considering the Sanatana Dharma, not considering Vedas. They are called Nastika Darshanas. The Nastika Darshanas are called heterodox Darshanas, which are not considering Vedas as Pramana, as their authority. They don't consider Vedas as authority. Those things are 6. In that, one is Sanatana Dharma one only, that is Charvaka Darshanam. The remaining 5 are, one comes from Jainism and the remaining 4 comes from Bauddham. Nastika Darshanas are 6, Charvaka, Jaina and Buddha, 3 main. Out of Buddha, there are 4 subsections. Those subsections are Sautantrika, Vaibhashika, Madhyamika, Sunyavadam. Madhyamika is Sunyavadam. Only Nagarjuna, Acharya Nagarjuna has started this. Yogachara, Vijnanavada. And then Agachara, Yogachara, Prahlajana. Vijnanavada. Nastika Darshanas can also be regarded as 6. So with this, Nastikas have become 6. Charvaka, Jain, Sautantrika, Vaibhashika, Madhyamika, Yogachara. But we are talking about the Astika Darshana, which are very important to us. They are Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Purvamimamsa, and Uttaramimamsa. In this, Sankhya and Yoga go together and talk about the Prakriti and Purusha and Atma, Paramatma, and all these things, how to reach the moksha with considering as the philosophies of Atma and Paramatma. That is Sankhya Darshanam, which gives a Jnana Darshanam, of course, we'll say. But basically, they don't realize that Paramatma is a separate person is there. That is Sankhya Darshana, people say. But it is a Shakti, it is a cosmic force. So Sankhya Darshana says like that. And yoga is done with your body exercise. With body exercise itself, you attain moksha. That's what the Ashtanga Yogam, based on Ashtanga Yogam, Patanjali's Ashtanga Yogam, the Yoga Darshana has been written. So Sankhya Darshana was written by Kapila Maharshi, which is taught to his mother, Kapila Maharshi. And then Yoga Darshana has been written by Patanjali. And Nyaya Darshana was written by Gautami. Gautama's Nyaya Sutras and Vaisheshika Darshanam. The Nyaya Darshanam and Vaisheshika Darshanam goes together. They are the philosophies which give the science and the Vijnana Shastram and all those things in our world. What is Bhautika Shastram and all these things are there in this. Vaisheshika Shastram, Kana Shastram, Anusiddhantam, all, and the laws of motion. All these things are there in Vaisheshika Shastram. Vaisheshika Shastram and Nyaya Shastram go together as a science subjects. And Purvamimamsa goes to the Mimamsa Sabdam, which also takes care of the as Veda as Pramanam, and Uttaramimamsa and Purvamimamsa. Uttaramimamsa is the rituals. What we talk about the rituals, that is Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas talk about our karmas, Nicha karmas, Naimitya karmas, and then Srota karmas. All these karmas, how to do it, when to do it, who has to do it, with what we should do it. All these things, procedures are with procedures that gives a, and by doing that, what we are achieving it. All these things is the how to recognize this thing. The base behind this is the Mimamsa Shastram is there, which gives the correct philosophy of that is available in the Vedas and gives the knowledge of Prakriti. How Prakriti to be taken care of, what type of karma kandas are to be done by us to keep Prakriti, the universe, in the correct perspective, correct usage, to make it samatulyata. To make it samatulyata, how to maintain it. For that purpose, this Purvamimamsa Siddhanta is the karmas are designed, the Yajna Yaga, the Kartavas are designed for well-being of the society. By doing this Karyakramas, the Vatavaranam, the atmosphere, these things will be in a correct proportion, correct way of maintaining, correct way of usage, that will be taught. The main Vijnana Shastram is there in Purvamimamsa only because the whole Samhita portion is the astrology, astronomy, and all these Siddhantas are there. So because of the science, this whole science is to be understood in Purvamimamsa only. Purvamimamsa gives the philosophy of procedural application. The Vedas application is Purvamimamsa in ritual form. That is Purvamimamsa. So the ritual form of Veda is the Purvamimamsa. Understanding of Vedas in application form is Purvamimamsa. And by understanding this, we will be understanding the science of the whole Prakriti. Panchabhutas and all those things, we will know about these things. And its existence and its maintenance will be understood properly. For this base, Shastram involved is Mimamsa Shastram. Mimamsa Shastram has got different principles of 6 logics, and based on those 6 logics, 6 pramanas they have. Based on 6 pramanas, that goes, and that is to be understood in subject subject. Next is Uttaramimamsa. Uttaramimamsa is also called Vedanta Shastram. Uttaramimamsa is also called Vedanta Shastram, and which talks about the existence of Paramatma and Atma and Atma and Paramatma is same, which gives about Advaita Siddhanta. That is the Upanishad portion of the Vedantas. So Vedanta portion of the Uttara Mimamsa is nothing but Upanishads. Upanishads, and then Brahma Sutras, and then Bhagavad Gita. These three are same, which talk about Vedanta Shastram. And Bhagavad Gita talks also Vedanta Shastram as well as Karma Kanda also. The mainly importance is Karma Kanda only, Bhagavad Gita. Though they made as Bhagavad Gita and Brahma Sutras and Upanishads together as Mahaprasthanatrayam. Prasthanatrayam they call it, these three. First is Upanishad, second is Brahma Sutras, third is Bhagavad Gita. They call all the three as Prasthanatrayam for getting moksha, but Bhagavad Gita preaches karma only, not only sannyasam. Sannyasam they honor it, they say is correct, but Vedantam is correct. Advaita Siddhantam only it promotes, but it gives importance to the human being to do karma. Karmanyevadhikaraste. Karma, you do karma. Nishkama karma, you do it, and then leave the fruit to me. I will take care of it, everything. But don't think that you leave everything. Karma sannyasam, it doesn't promote. Bhagavad Gita, people wrongly understand that as a Vedanta Shastra. It is not totally Vedanta Shastram. It is total. If it is Vedanta Shastra, Arjuna would not have done a war after Bhagavad Gita. After hearing Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna would not have done war. He would have gone to the forest to do tapas. So the very idea that Arjuna has done the war, that means that is Karma Siddhanta mainly. Bhagavad Gita is Karma Siddhanta, to do work. Do work. Next level is Katha. Now we are coming to 12 minutes is there, under 15 minutes time is there. Katha. Chaturaha Kakaha. Let us again see the sentence formations, understand the sentence formation of it is, what is Karta, what is Kriya, what is action here. Asti. Ekaha Kakaha Asti. Asti means is. Kakaha Asti. Kaha Asti. Kaha Asti. Kakaha Pullinga Shabdam. So you have to use Krishnavachakam Kaha. Kaha Asti. Kakaha Asti. Kati Kakaha Santi. Ekaha Kakaha Asti. Ekaha Kakaha Asti. One crow is there. Kakaha means crow. One crow is there. Saha Bahu Trushitaha. Saha Bahu Trushitaha. Saha Bahu Trushitaha. You are reading this now along with me. Bahu Trushitaha means he is very thirsty. The Kakaha is very thirsty. Saha Bahu Trushitaha. Trushita means thirsty. Bahu Trushitaha, very thirsty. Saha Kaha, Saha Kaha, Saha Kakaha. Saha Kaha, Saha Kakaha. Saha Kakaha, Katham Asti. Another question mark. Another Prashnavachakam. Earlier we learned what Prashnavachakam? Kim Prashnavachakam. Pullingam Kaha, Strilingam Ka, Napusakam Kim. Under Kim Prashnavachakam. Then second Prashnavachakam, what we learned? Kutra. Third Prashnavachakam, what we learned? Kimardham. So Kim, Kutra, Kimardham. Three we talked about till now. Now the fourth one comes here is, now I am introducing fourth one here, Katham. Sahu Bahu Trushitaha. Saha Kaha, Saha Kakaha. Saha Kakaha, Katham Asti, Katham Asti. How it is? Trushitaha Asti. Trushitaha Asti means thirsty ga undi. It is thirsty. He is thirsty. Kakaha is thirsty. Saha Bahu Trushitaha. Saha Kakaha Jalartham. Jalartham means for the sake of water. When Trushitaha is there, what you do? You get water. You go for water, right? Saha Jalartham Brahmati. Brahmati means moving. Moving means Kaha Brahmati. Saha Brahmati. Saha Kaha. Saha Kakaha. Saha Kakaha Kim Karoti? Brahmati. Saha Kakaha Brahmati. Kimardham Brahmati. Kimardham also we learned. Fourth one. Kimardham. That also we learned. Pandita Kimardham Sishyaha Agachati Vidyabhyasardham Agachati. Kimardham Pandita Prishnam Pruchati Shishya Buddhi Parichyardham Prishnam Pruchati. So Kimardham also we learned. Kim Kutra, Kimardham, now Katham. So, Kimardham Brahmati, Kakaha, Kimardham Brahmati, Kakaha, Jalardham Brahmati. Jalardham, for the sake of water. Jalardham Brahmati. Tada Grishma Kalaha. Tada Kaha Kalaha? Grishma Kalaha, summer. Tada Grishma Kalaha. Kutra api, nowhere. Kutra api jalam nasti. Jalam nasti. Kutra means everywhere. Jalam nasti. Jalam is not there. Jalam is not there, not everywhere. Nowhere. Even you can say nowhere. Totally it is nowhere. The total meaning of sentence is nowhere jalam is there. Kutrapi jalam na asti. Nowhere jalam is there. Nowhere water is there. Kakaha kastena. Kastaha kastena. Kastaha sabdasya instrumentative case. Tritiya vibhakti. Instrumentative case Tritiya vibhakti is kastena. With custom. With custom. Kakaha with custom. Kastena. Kakaha kastena. Ramaha ramena. With Rama. With Rama antaనికి రామేణ అనాలి. రామేణ సీత అరణ్యం గచ్చతి. రామేణ సహ సీత అరణ్యం గతవతి. So Sita went along with Rama, like that. Kastena, with custom, with difficulty. Kakaha with difficulty. Kakaha kastena trishitaha kalu. Because it is trishitaha, it is difficult for her to fly, for him to fly. So Kakaha kastena bahu duram gacchati. Bahu duram, long distance. Bahu duram, duram means distance. Bahu duram, long distance, gacchati, goes. Kakaha gacchati. Kutra gacchati? Bahu duram gacchati. Katham gacchati? Kastena gacchati. Katham gacchati? Kastena gacchati. Kutra gacchati? Bahu duram gacchati. Kaha gacchati? Kakaha gacchati. ఎవరు వెళ్తున్నారు? హూ ఈస్ గోయింగ్? కాకహ. ఎలా వెళ్తోంది? కష్టేన. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తోంది? బహుదూరం. సో కాకహ కష్టేన బహుదూరం గచ్చతి. తత్ర సహ ఏకం ఘటం పశ్యతి. తత్ర వి లైన్ దిస్. అత్ర, తత్ర, అన్యత్ర, సర్వత్ర, ఏకత్ర, కుత్ర. హియర్ తత్ర ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ హియర్. తత్ర సహ, తత్ర మీన్స్ దేర్. There, saha kakaha, ekam ghatam. Ekam ghatam, vaka kundani, one part nu. Ekam ghatam, ekaha, ekam. Ekaha pradhama vibhakti, ekam ditya vibhakti. Ekam. Ikkada ekam ditya vibhakti. Ekam ghatam, vaka kundanu. Ekam ghatam, pasyati. Pasyati means sees. She sees a pot at one place. తత్ర సహ ఏకం ఘటం పశ్యతి. కాకస్య అతీవ సంతోషః భవతి. కాకస్య అతీవ, అతి ప్లస్ ఇవ, చాలా సంతోషం, వెరీ మచ్ సంతోషః భవతి. కాకః has become very much happy. సంతోషః happiness. భవతి. భవతి means అస్తి, భవతి same. భవతి means condition. In that condition it is there. Which condition it is there? Santoshah condition it is there. Santoshaha bhavati. It is in the condition of santosham. Santoshaha bhavati. Kintu ghate. Ghate means in the ghate, in the pot. Kintu means but. Kintu ghate swalpam eva jalam asti. Aham पाठयामि. बहु निदान स्वरूपेण पाठयामि. परन्तु भवन्तः चिन्तयन्ति अहं किन्तु भवन्तः चिन्तयन्ति अहं शीघ्रं अति वेगं पाठयामि. वेगं न पाठयामि, निदानस्वरूपेण पाठयामि खलु. I am teaching slowly, but everybody is feeling that but is kintu. Ghate, in the pot, swalpam eva jalam asti. She wanted a lot of jalam, but in that pot, swalpam eva asti. Only down, she is not reachable to her. To the not her, to the kakaha. Kakaha is pullingam here. So kintu ghate swalpam eva jalam asti. Only small quantity of water is there in the pot. Jalam katham pibami. This inverted commas. It is in the mind of direct speech. Jalam katham pibami. Katham, we have got the word now. Another question, Prashna Vachakam, I told you. Katham pibami. Aham jalam katham pibami. Mama chunchuhu. Chunchuhu means nose. Mama chunchuhu swalpam asti. Chala chinnadi na mukku. Mama chunchuhu. Chunchuhu means nose. Chunchuhu swalpam asti. Jalam athaha asti. Ghate jalam athaha asti. Aham jalam katham pibami. Aham jalam katham pibami. Iti chintayati. Iti is told here now. Now you learn the iti here. Jalam katham pibami iti kakah chintayati. Kakah manasi chintayati. Kakah kim karoti? Chintayati. Katham chintayati? Kakah jalam katham pibami. Aham jalam katham pibami iti chintayati. Saha ekam upayam karoti. Saha kim karoti? Upayam. Kakah chaturah kalu. Chaturah kakah. Chaturah visheshanam. Kakasya swabhavam kimasti? Chaturam asti. Chaturah asti. Kakah katham asti? Chaturah asti. So jalam kakah ekam upayam karoti. Kakah ekam upayam karoti. He thinks of a idea. She gets an idea. Silakhandan anayati. Silakhandaha, stone piece. Khandaha means piece. Silakhandaha means stone piece. Silakhandan means stone piece. Silakhandamulanu, Ditya Bhakti, accusative case. Silakhandaha, Silakhandan. Silakhandaha means stone pieces. Silakhandan means these stone pieces. The accusative case of Silakhandaha. Silakhandaha is nominative case. Silakhandan is the accusative case. So Silakhandaha, Silakhandan. How the formation? Silakhandaha, ekavachanam. Silakhandau, divachanam. Two Silakhandas. Silakhandaha, many stone pieces. Then Silakhandam, accusative case, ekavachanam. Silakhandau, accusative case, divachanam. Silakhandan, accusative case, bahuvachanam. So now we have come up to second case now. Silakhandaha, Silakhandau, Silakhandaha, nominative case. Silakhandam, Silakhandau, Silakhandan, accusative case. Ramaha, Ramau, Rama, nominative case. Ramam, Ramau, Raman, accusative case. Okay, please get into what I am saying now, what I am trying to say now. When you are making it an object, when you are making the Silakhandam as an object, you have to use it as a second case. When you are making Rama as an object, then you have to make it as a second case. That second case is Raman, Bahuvachanam. Ramam, the Ekavachanam. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Silakhandaha, Silakhandau, Silakhandaha. Silakhandam, Silakhandau, Silakhandan. Silakhandan, and Rala Mokkalanu. Rala Mukkalanu, Anayati. She brings the Rala Mukkal. Silakhandan Anayati. Ghate Purayati. Ghate Purayati. It drops into the, it fills up the ghatam. Ghate is Saptami Vibhakti. In the pot. Ghate means in the pot. Ghatam ghate. Ghate Purayati. Jalam upari agacchati. Upari. Upari is another important word to be learned. Upari means giving the direction. Upari is direction. Ataha, down. Ataha, upari. Jalam ataha asit kalu. Jalam ataha asti. Jala athama asti. Ataha asti. Kindundi jalam. ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని పైకి వస్తుంది. జలం ఉపరి ఆగచ్చతి, పైకి వచ్చింది. కాకః సంతోషేణ, సంతోషం సంతోషేణ, ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంటెడ్ కేస్, విత్ సంతోషం. ఎర్లియర్ కష్టేన, కష్టేన భ్రమతి, కష్టేన గచ్చతి, కష్టః కష్టేన, సంతోషం సంతోషేణ. సో సంతోషేణ తృతీయ విభక్తి ఫర్ సంతోష శబ్దం. సంతోషేణ, విత్ సంతోషం. కాకః సంతోషేణ జలం పిబతి. That is the difference between other language and this language. In English language, if you say with santosham, you will say with happiness. That with is added as a separate word for the case. To make third case, you use that with or by. In Telugu also, danito, chetan, chen, todam, ton, you will use. But in Sanskritam, it is not like that. The word itself changes into that vibhakti. Ramaha, ramena, kastaha, kastena, santosham, santoshena. That word itself transforms into the third case. Separate word is not added. Whereas other languages, in Telugu, chetan, che, chetan, to, che, toda, like that, we have Ramani to, like that. To is added. In English, with by are added. But in Sanskritam, it is not like that. In Sanskritam, it is direct, the word itself changes. Santoshena jalam pipati, tataha gacchati. Tataha means then. Afterwards, it goes. That is this thing here. Then we will read these things later in the next lesson. Actually, I wanted to complete second lesson now, but it cannot be completed. I have to go to the next class. Harihi Om. Ukam Om. Yam Vaidika mantra drishah puranaha indram yamammata viswana mahuhu vedantino nirvachaniyamekam yam brahma sabdena vinirdisanti Saivayamisham Sivayitya vochan yam Vaishnava Vishnu ritistuvanti buddhastadarhan iti bauddha jaina Sasri Akaleti Chisakasanta Shasteti Kechit Prakriti Kumaraha Swamiti Mateti Piteti Bhaktya Yam Prardhayante Jagadi Sitaram Sayekayeva Prabhuradvitiyaha Om Shanti 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 Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu Idanavana. Please read the third lesson thoroughly and come. It's a separate important topic is to be taught in third lesson. Please read third lesson and come to the next class, tomorrow's class. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha, Mahadev. Thank you so much for taking this class and explaining us in detail. I request now all participants, don't leave till Janaganamana is. All of you, please mute your mics. Unless you want to ask any question.
Please welcome.
Anybody wants to ask any question?
They can
Okay.
raise their hand and then we can unmute them.
Okay. Now time is up.
They can ask next.
If anybody wants to ask, yes.
Prabhakar Rao garu మీరు మ్యూట్ అయి ఉన్నారు.
You can ask in next class or you can put a message to me. No problem.
Right.
Okay. I request all of you, don't leave till Janaganamana is sung, and also join before Vande Mataram, that is at 6:25, please join. And now I request Govindaraj Garu to chant Shanti Mantram, please.
हरिः ओम् स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतं सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान्मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु स्वस्ति
ధన్యవాదములండి. Thank you. Now let us sing Janaganamana along with Chala Chittibabu garu. Please, all of you, please stand up.
जन मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। जय हिंद।
जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు.